got mail.
There's a letter in your mailbox.
What's this? A letter? B.
It's time for mail call.
Mail, motherfucker!
I figure it's probably time I catch up on stuff and do a mail call, because I've had stuff waiting for a while. And if I look tired, the camera's not lying. I'm exhausted. I've just been running and running and running. It's just been crazy. But now that we've got good weather, and yeah, it's just been nuts. Anyways, let's get going on this mail call thing. See if I can muddle my way through this. Get it out there to you guys. There's some people that sent me some stuff and I want to recognize. So, I'm going to start off with, I already opened this, I'll admit. I already cheated. My first sticker I received, this gentleman I met through another YouTuber, and he's a local Washington guy. Super great channel. Whalen's Wire. He does rat rods and lots of neat little projects. Ken's a fun guy. Always in a great mood. Anything that happens, kind of some crazy stuff always happens with Ken, and he always puts a positive spin on it. He offered up some stickers a while back, and I want to jump on it because he's a real fun guy to watch, and I want to promote his channel. See if I point one of these sides over here. Anyways, check him out. He's my first sticker I received. I thought that was pretty cool. So I got to get me a fancy little board or something to put him up on. But again, okay. And this, I believe, would be my second one. I got to make sure that I don't have the address on the wrong side. So I kind of know who this is. He was my second guy, and my phone of course has to make noise. Okay. Let's see if I can get this opened up here. Sorry, I don't have any fancy little cutting methods or anything. Oh, could you guess who this might be? I didn't see that. That was towards the camera. 615 Customs. Check him out. Super cool guy. He does a lot of lives. He does a few short videos too, but he does a lot of lives. Some during the week, mostly during the weekend. I have a good time. We talk about a little bit anything. Anything's fair game on subject matter. Super cool, super friendly dude. Check him out. 615 Customs. Definitely check him out. I've been sitting on this one for a little while because I think I know who it is. I don't know your actual real name. I only know you by your YouTube name, but I have an idea. Do the old backwards holding letter opening trick here. Oh. Anyone guess what that could be? Guess I should hold it up. Big Block 402. Another cool dude. I just started. I think it was probably just before they started doing the Volvo build, the LS Swap Volvo. I started watching Big Block 402, or Steven as his name is. I need to catch up. I'm falling behind on a lot of stuff because I'm working so much lately. But thank you, bud. Awesome stickers. Magnet too. This is super cool. Going on the toolbox, or I'd leave it at work, but somebody'd probably steal the damn thing. So I'll put it on my toolbox here. Awesome. This is an awesome sticker, dude. I'm gonna put these. I gotta find somewhere, some cool things to put these on. Okay. This is my first. mail call thing. So, and I'm dog tired. I'm probably, yeah. Oh, I'm out of it. So, okay. I know who this is from. This is from my buddy Woody. Woody, if you're watching, I'm finally opening this. I did not want to open these and look at them until I was on camera so you could actually see. So Woody and I have been working to have these made, and it was kind of like a back and forth. I was being kind of picky. I had this vision in my head of how I wanted them to look, and I have this problem with always having to take things a little bit farther, and I want to thank Woody for being patient with me and and taking to my criticism. But I have a feeling I'm going to like what I see. So for starters, Wood and Metal Garage. I haven't looked at him yet, Woody. Wood and Metal Garage. I'm not holding it upside down, am I? Nope. Check him out. Hopefully I can zoom in on that. Woody's another great guy. He's always willing to help you out with stuff. He's real tech savvy. He's just now started doing his own stickers and things like that. So I'm one of his first few customers. So here we go. Oh, yeah. See, these did turn out good. Yep. Not too shabby, Woody. You did a good job, man. I like it. Ollie's Garage's first official sticker. Right there. See if I can get some light on it a little bit. There you go. Created by this guy right here. So if you need some, talk to Woody. And those of you that sent me some stickers, you're getting them back. That's awesome, man. I do appreciate that. It turned out pretty good. I'm happy with it. These are gonna work. Thank you, Woody. Thank you very much. And thank you, 615 Customs, Kenneth Whalen Wire, Steven at Big Block 402. Thank you for the stickers. I really appreciate that, and I will send some back now that I have some. Now, one last thing, and I'm gonna. Oh, there's some more. Holy cow! Woody, you dog? Okay, man. We're gonna have to settle this. Woody's got me hooked up here. He made a few more than I thought. So, yeah. I got stickers to trade, fellas, and you can thank Wood and Metal Garage, Woody over there for hooking a brother up. Very, very appreciated. So, sweet. So wouldn't you know it, I just got done filming a mail call, and I get one more in the mail. I kind of knew it was coming, but I didn't expect it to be right away. Knowing our mail system these days, it's a little slow. But it got here, and I thought, maybe I should wait, maybe I shouldn't. This portion here is for John, who's a full throttle kind of guy. So anyways, thank you for the sticker, boss. Really cool dude. He's got a channel. He does a little bit of everything. He actually touches on all the flavors. He's got a Mopar, a Chevrolet, and a Ford. Chevrolet being his Nova, which is a big block Nova. Neat car. I think the Mopar is, it's a Dart, if I remember right. I've only seen it a couple times. And of course the Galaxy. No, super cool dude. Throw some tips and tricks out there. Films a little bit of everything. Really nice guy. Great channel. Definitely check him out on YouTube. John, I appreciate it. I will make sure and get you some stickers out. And he left me a little note here. It says, hey Dan, here you go. We've got to meet up and plan some kind of collaboration. Yes, we definitely do need to do that. I wish I knew what my time and schedule were like. It's just I got to get this thing going again. I've been busy with stuff because my son's coming into town. Then I got to get this thing dolled up. Mechanically, I think it's okay. I was just kind of doing a spit shine and a polish because it spent a lot of time outdoors, and I got to make it somewhat presentable. So this would probably be what I'll end up driving, because at this point right now is the only thing I've got. I know it's sad. You think that once you get the kids through school and stuff, that, you know, and we're kind of out of the sports thing now a little bit. I'd actually have some time, and it's unreal. Yeah, we'll work something out somehow, one way or another. It'd be great. It'd be fun to do. And Full Throttle kind of guy. Check him out on YouTube. He's really a great guy. Got a great channel. We will do a collaboration. I will figure out something, some way, somehow. Last but not least, I have a package. Now, this package is actually part of a little research I'm involved in. It's from a fellow Instagrammer who's now gone YouTube. His name's Jim. And Jim, I'm not gonna say your last name. It's like mine. I'm gonna butcher it. I'm sorry, dude. But he goes by the name Piewagon on Instagram and on YouTube. He built a little Model A 2-door sedan. He's got I'm gonna screw the year of it up. A 60s Chevy sedan delivery, which is basically what he calls his Piewagon. And I believe he's got another couple Model A's. Everyone's things are starting to run together, so I'm sorry, Jim, if I screwed that up. Check out his channel. He's starting to make videos regarding tips, tricks, performance stuff with flatheads, multiple carburation, ignition, you name it. His little sedan I followed on Instagram. Sorry, I'm tired and I'm trying to remember all this stuff. A lot of information. Now he's in YouTube. He's starting to make some videos regarding performance upgrades. So check his YouTube channel out. It's Piewagon, but without the O. So it's Piewagn. And that's his Instagram, and that's his YouTube channel. He's a brand new guy. He's super low in subscribers. Jump over there, watch his stuff, see what he's got, help him out. He's trying to get his name out there and stuff. That goes for all the rest of the guys. Whale and Wire, Big Block 402, 615 Customs, Wood Metal Garage. Check them all out. We're all trying to, grow our channels. Anyways, what he sent me was a little R&D project. I'm not going to open it on this video. I'm going to open it on another video because it's part of the R&D. What he sent me was a carburetor, one of them Chinesium units. So I will film opening this thing up on that video. It's all part of the deal. I'm going to run it on a couple rigs and give him some feedback on it. He's been doing a couple carburetors for the flatheads. He's doing a multiple carburation setup, as a matter of fact, on his two-door sedan. And then he asked me, hey, do you have anything running a two-barrel? I'm like, yeah, I got a couple of rigs. So I want to put this on, get it tested, and give him some feedback on it. See how the old Chinesium stuff actually stacks up. So anyways, that's what this is. And thank you very much. I will be sending you all stickers back. And I will be sending out a couple that I've been bugged with about getting stickers from. So you will be getting those in the mail pretty soon here. If you want one of my stickers, send me one. I'll send you one back. I hope I have enough to go around. Woody, I might need help. So anyways, thank you. I really super appreciate it. Thank you for sending the stickers, guys. And anyways, have a good night. I'm sorry it took so long to make this video. I will try to do a little bit better. And my phone just keeps making noises as I'm recording this. All right. Done. Get me out of here. I'll check you on the next one. Have a good night, guys. I'm going to finish this thing, and I'm going to go crawl into the sack after I shoot that video real quick. I'm rambling. Bye. And I just wanted to add, I am wearing the same crap as I was last night. No, I didn't dig out of the laundry. It's day 2. Don't you have day 2? I have day 2. I'm the one that does the laundry around this joint. If I'm really lazy or tired, I'll go day 3. But I don't tell anybody. And they gotta look like they're maybe day 2 clothes. Just throwing that out there. I'm tired. We're calling it a night. I need some more comfortable chairs out here. I probably won't get much done if I do that. Somebody really needs to clean this place up. Ain't gonna be me. Reassemble! Polish! No? Maybe some gnomes in this joint. Maybe that'd help out a little bit. Could you imagine if I cloned myself? A bunch of me's running around this joint? I think we'd probably all be doing the same thing, sitting around doing nothing. There's a 318, John. It's not for sale. I really need to get rid of some stuff. I have too much crap. Something about the mess in this garage just takes away my ambition. I think I need another beer. Well, that didn't feel any better. Oh, that one did. Those are some good-looking fenders right down there. See those? Oh, yeah. Those go on to the next project I'll probably never get to. I'm ready for bed. Why can't this stuff fix itself? I don't understand. It'd be better if I didn't have a day job. They just paid me to stay home. I might get some stuff done. I wonder where all these pistons came from. Oh, boy. I am tired. Really tired.